Mastering the first conditional. Unlock English grammar today. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: the first conditional. This topic is integral to English grammar and can often be a little tricky to grasp. But, don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be more confident about using the first conditional in your conversations and writings. Let's get started. The first conditional, also known as the real or probable condition, is a grammatical structure that allows us to express situations based on real or possible future conditions and their results. It's usually composed of two parts: a condition, in the if clause, and a possible result, in the main clause. The structure typically looks like this: if plus present simple tense, future simple tense. For example, if it rains, condition, I will stay at home, possible result. It's essential to remember that we use the first conditional when we talk about real and possible situations in the future. These are not fantasies or dreams, but things that could very well happen. For instance, we might say, if we finish work early, we will go to the cinema. Here, finishing work early is a real possibility, and going to the cinema is a probable outcome of that condition. Notice the use of will in the main clause. The will here is not about the future but about willingness or spontaneity. Many learners make the mistake of using will in the if clause, such as, if I will see him, I will say hello. This is incorrect in the context of the first conditional. The correct sentence should be, if I see him, I will say hello. Another common mistake is using present continuous instead of present simple in the if clause. For example, if I am seeing him, I will say hello. This is incorrect. The correct version is, if I see him, I will say hello. Remember, for the first conditional, the if clause uses the present simple, while the main clause uses the future simple. And that's it for today's lesson on the first conditional. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering this grammar point. Try using the first conditional in your own sentences, and soon it will become second nature to you. I hope you found this video useful and now feel more confident about using the first conditional in English. Until our next lesson, keep practicing and happy learning.